What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Camille back with another video, and today I am going to do something to this head. Right now I just have in like my twist that I did a few days ago. It's been about 2 or 3 days, so I decided to go to the hair store and pick up some Afro hair, like some crochet hair, to crochet in some additional hair to make it like longer and lengthier, and then that way I can wear it just for like a longer time with a different look. So I'm going to show you guys what hair I got from the hair store. This is the hair that I got from the hair store. This is the Model Water Passion Twist Afro, and it has like 3 times the amount of hair that you would usually get. And then each of these packs, just so you know, I got it from my local beauty supply store, but each of the packs was $9.99, and I got 2 packs, and this length is 14 inches, so hopefully it looks good when I'm finished. And then I already had like some crochet tools, so I didn't have to buy any of that. And I did decide to pick up some edge control as well. I've used this edge control before. It is the She Is Bomb collection. They're also on Instagram too, y'all. But I decided to pick up this jar as well, so I can, you know, slip my edges down or whatever. And I will get back up here and I will show you guys the final product after I have done the install, or as I'm doing it and start to get like a rhythm or whatever.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it.
I just took it out the pack officially close up. This is what it looks like, the texture. Very springy at the bottom, and then it is sort of like, y'all excuse my finger, I slammed my finger in the door. If y'all been watching my vlogs, then you already know. Like, it looks to be like pre-looped. That makes it easier for installing. It's super elastic, super bouncy. I'm gonna go ahead and get the first ones going. This is my handy dandy crochet needle that I will be using today. I got it from the beauty supply store, and you can see here, you would just put the hair in there and then crochet it right through your hair. I legit had to watch a YouTube video because like I forgot how to do it. So you kind of like stick it through the rubber band or whatever, and then you grab the pre-looped hair, put it in there, close it, and then bring it out. There we go. And then with this pre-looped, what you're gonna do is take the braid like that, bring it through the loop, and you'll tighten it. Y'all, I don't know how this is about to turn out. So yeah, it's in there now. And I'm gonna do 2 of these little crochet things per like braid, so I can start braiding it, and then I'm gonna actually twist. So let's do the second one. I hope this will look fine like after it's all said and done. So again, you take it through here, and then you have like the pre-looped part right here. You'll attach it right here, close it, bring it through. So you brought it through, right? And you open it, let that part go, and then the braid is like in there. So you're gonna grab the loopy part, open it, and then bring the braid through and tighten it to your scalp. So this is what we look like. All right, so all 3 are in there, and then what I'm gonna do is start out by like braiding it until it gets down to like the end of the twist. Trying to go fast. I hope this look okay when it's all said and done. I'm so weak, baby, because I am making up a hairstyle right now. I don't even know if this is like a thing for real of how it's done, but okay. So my hair is like right here. I don't know how I'm gonna tuck this. How do people be tucking? Look, I'm gonna add some edge control and see if that works. So then I'm gonna just twist it like all the way down. thinking of a hairstyle. You know what though? I'm gonna be real mad if I spent $20 and like it come out looking like who did it, what, and why. Or like super crazy, you know? I just want to get to the end so y'all can see like what the first one looked like, and then I'm gonna go back in, put a little edge control on there, and we're gonna see. If it do come out good, this is gonna be like a cheap, easy style to do. Very low maintenance. If you guys have not watched my video on how I grew my hair from the big chop to shoulder length in less than 2 years, go watch that video. I don't know, y'all. It might be looking a little cute when I'm done, baby. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. So I'm gonna check back in when like I got a little bit more done, and yeah. But I'm gonna show y'all how this edge control look on like this part. I think this costs like $10.99 because my hair. I'm gonna just put like some edge. Ooh, that's probably too much. I'm gonna just go ahead and do all the little edges so y'all can see the difference. I'm not creating no baby edges or nothing like that. Ain't got time for that. And I'm not really like an expert in baby edges. That looks so good. Like, look at the difference. That side to that side. Like, it's definitely slick. I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing the rest, and then I will check in with you guys like maybe like when I'm halfway done, so y'all can start to see like how it looks together. I think it's gonna be cute. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I'll be back. So this is what we're looking like so far. Off of one pack of hair. It looks very full, but like not too much, you know. They got these little stragglies. So far so good. What y'all think? How y'all think the final look is going to be? I think it's going to be kind of cute, and then we'll kind of like maybe do like 2 styles of how you can wear this if you so choose to go get your own hair and kind of do something similar. I think she's cute, but I'm tired. I'm not gonna lie, my arms hurt. I'm just ready to be done at this point. Because my arms hurt, and yeah, I'm ready to eat. All I had today was like a protein shake. So this is what we're looking like so far. This is the back. I am gonna have to go to the hair store to get like another pack of hair because I'm running out. That other pack should take care of like the entire back. So yeah, she's cute. It's a cute little go-to style. So I think this may last for like maybe 2 weeks, and then I'll take it out. But yeah, I think it's cute. Can't focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap. How closets running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Alright y'all, we are finishing up. I literally had to take a break and I'm back at it. I started getting my rhythm more towards the end. Alright, this is the last one. Thank you God, because I'm so sick of doing this. It's not a bad process, it's just I have like a lot of other little stuff that I wanted to get done around the house today. Like my bathroom is now a mess, and I need to go downstairs, clean up the kitchen, start dinner, all of that stuff. Yeah, I still gotta work later on tonight. I gotta go show a house. This is the home run, y'all. Let me show y'all the final product because I'm like down to the nitty gritty or whatever. All right, so this is when all the hair is to the front. I think I'm gonna cut that. That's way too long. Sticking out like a sore thumb. Yeah, it looks better. Final product, go closer so y'all can see. She's cute. I did say I was gonna do a little half up, half down for y'all. So you can like wear it up, like a messy bun type of look. Like that. I like it. I like that it's super versatile, so yeah. And then I can also like wear 2 pieces down. I can wear like that. I can wear like all of it up. Another style that you could do. Yeah, I highly would recommend. I would definitely do this style again. It's cute. I'm so proud of myself. If you guys want to see more of my content, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.